Hi everyone. With the great saying of R. Collier, success is the sum of small efforts repeated. With this, we'll do a small effort by learning one of the problem in DME 1, Design of Machine Elements 1, a problem on static stress. The problem statement goes like this. A journal 25 mm in diameter supported in sliding bearings has a maximum end reaction of 2500 Newton, assuming an allowable bearing pressure of 5 Newton per mm square. Find the length of the sliding bearing. So here problem which belongs to sliding bearing, the problem statement he has given in this fashion. So we'll list out the given data first. A journal bearing 25 mm in a diameter. So diameter of the journal bearing is 25 mm, that is denoted by D. Supported in sliding bearing has a maximum end reaction of 2500 Newton. This end reaction can be considered as the force. That force F is equal to 2500 Newton. Assuming an allowable bearing pressure, the maximum pressure which is permitted in this journal bearing is 5 Newton per mm square, that can be assigned as P suffix B, that is bearing pressure. It's equal to 5 Newton per mm square. And here we need to find the length of the sliding bearing, that is L. Length of the sliding bearing L is equal to question mark. So here we can go with this right away one of the equation, bearing pressure P is equal to force by area. So here we'll consider L as the length of the sliding bearing in mm, and the projected area of the bearing which is exerting the force is L into D. By replacing the value of diameter D as 25, we are getting the value of area A is equal to 25 times the L, mm square. On substitution, pressure P as 5, force F as 2500 and area A as 25 L. On simplification, we are getting the length of the bearing L as 20 mm. This completes this particular problem. Thank you.